Hey friends, if you wish to view and save command prompt history on Windows, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. Now first of all, select a location where you need the history because you wouldn't need it in the users folder. Let's say I'm going to save it in the pictures folder. Just for the sake of convenience, you can choose the folder. So go to that folder and type cmd on the top. Why? Because then it will straight away carry the file to the same location. Now there is a very easy command, DOS key space / history. Hit this and it will show all the commands that you run. For example, if I run an sfc scan now and then enter this command, it will mention it here. I ran a DOS key history command, then an sfc scan, and then a DOS key history once again. Now what if I want to export this? So type the same command, space, and then what do we say, greater than sign, and then mention the name of the txt file. So we are going to create a txt file. You can name it anything, but make sure to write .txt after that. Basically we are creating a notepad file, so I'm mentioning it as history.txt. You can name it anything that you want to, but with extension .txt at the end. Hit enter and it will create a file here which will contain the history of command prompt commands on your system. As you can see, all the commands that we executed are here. Isn't this interesting? I mean, this is amazing. If this was helpful, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.